Hi guys, welcome back. Guess what I have? This is my second month of subscribing to Allure, and I am so excited because the first box, it just kind of, it just made my day. So if you want to see what I have in this month's box, please keep watching. Okay, so this is the second box that I've received since I subscribed. And I really am liking the items that they have been sending me. So let's see what's inside. Okay, so here is the pamphlet that gives you some information about the products that they sent. And it looks like here, the first thing that I'm gonna take out of the box is the Sunday Riley CEO Rapid Flash Serum. So let's see where it's at in the box. Oh, very nice. Wow, this is a nice, even though they're sample sizes, I'm really impressed with some of the products that they send in here because this is a very nice, heavy, sturdy bottle. It's almost, it's like maybe a very high plastic, but it's very heavy and it's a nice size bottle. Look at this. This is a very nice size bottle and it comes with the pump. So it says with this, it contains 15%, I can't even say this word, but I will put it somewhere up here. Vitamin C derivative that penetrates the skin so well that you get the full pigment fading, glowing inducing power of the ingredient. The citrus scented gel, which also contains a glycolic acid, has brightened my dull patches and dark spots and made my pores look smaller. It is worth the wait for the right product at the right time. Okay, it says that this full-size bottle retails for $85 and it is sold at Sephora. So, and this is 1 full fluid ounce, so I can't wait to try this. I want to see, if their promise is good. So yeah, this is something that's supposed to brighten the appearance of the skin and boost the vital skin bounce. So yeah, can't wait to try it. In fact, let me see. It says it has like a citrus smell to it. See if I can open it. Yeah, it smells very citrusy. All right, so this is the first one. Okay, so the second thing that I'm gonna pull out is they give you a sample of the Makeup Forever Artist Liquid Matte, and this is in the color, oh, here it is, maybe not, it says it's in the color 105. Let me see, I'm going to open up the package and see if it's on the bottle, because, okay, so it says it's 105. I guess. I have not purchased any of the Makeup Forever products, so this is new to me. So it looks like this is a very pretty color here. As you can see, it's a very nice color here. It's very cool tone. So I'm going to swatch it on the back of my hand. It's a very pretty color. I like this. It's very mauve. Yeah, very mauve color here. So this is a very nice color. So of course I'm going to try this. It's hopefully it's good. I'm sure it is. I hear really good reviews on Makeup Forever, so I'll let you know, keep you posted. Okay, the next thing that they sent me was the one by Frederick, I can't say his last name, I don't know how to pronounce it. It's the One and Then Some Dry Texturing Spray, and apparently you shake it up and hold the bottle 6 to 10 inches away from the hair. Mist from roots to ends. For ultimate volume, flip hair upside down and spray. So I guess it's a volumizing spray for the hair. So this is something I'll probably just give to one of my girls. I don't use it. I won't use it. Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to pull out is In Transit Camera Close-Up Mask, Moisturizer, and Primer in one. Never heard of such a thing, but it says this works. Look, you can see it right here. It says this works. It says here, directions is to apply to clean skin and massage until absorbed. That's all it says. Anyway, so I guess I could try this and see how this really works, and see if it works as a primer like it says it does. So, okay, so yeah, we'll have to try this guy. I'm always into primers. Give me a primer and I'll try it. The last thing that came in the subscription is the Rodeo Smoky Eye Pen, and this is in the color brown. So it kind of looks black, but it says it's a brown. So I'm trying to find where I can tear this thing off. You know how it has these wrappers around the pencils, and sometimes they're hard, sometimes they just come off easily. But it says Smoky Eye Pen, so I'm assuming this is something that you can just, oh wow, it's very, very dark, very pigmented. I don't know if you can see that, so I'm just gonna see that there, move it closer. So I'm gonna swatch this. Okay, so it's pigmented, but it's like, it's very soft. So if you need I guess it's like if you need to smoke out your eye, it's definitely something that you can do. It's not as dark, it's not a very dark brown, but it is a brown. So yeah, something definitely I will try to use and see how that works and give my opinion. Anyhow, so if you are interested in the Allure box, beauty box, this monthly subscription is $15, and they just had for the new year, they had a first time subscriber that you pay $10, and then after that it's $15 a month. But this is a cute little subscription that I just wanted to try, and so far it's been pretty decent stuff. So hopefully I will continue, and yeah, if you found this video to be insightful, and if you were on the fence on whether getting the subscription for Allure Beauty Box, then hopefully this was informative for you. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please do so. And hopefully we'll see you on the next one. Ciao!